And now our regular news item, which highlights the activities of small-scale private enterprises in our republic. Today we will tell you about modern-day wizards. They made a fairy tale come true by strictly scientific methods. Dead and alive water became real. There is no opportunity to see the works as they are close to visitors, but we were able to visit the research laboratory thanks to the support of the Economic Development Ministry of Russia and the Ministry of Economics of the Udmurt Republic. Tatiana Domracheva will find out where alive water flows. The name of this enterprise, IKAR, shows the best correlation with the invention which formed the basis of the company's researches. Icarus was a hero of ancient Greece who performed a human flight for the first time. The Soviet physics managed to levitate particles and even comparatively large objects, which seemed impossible at that time. The decision to establish the Scientific Research Center IKAR was made in 1990. It was a closed enterprise working at interesting projects connected with nanotechnology, which is a popular word nowadays. The Nobel Prize was awarded in 1987 for non-resonant particle retention, corpuscular traps, and after that event, the IKAR Center was established. At that time, non-resonant retention was considered to be impossible, but we managed to demonstrate this phenomenon back in 1974. The projects that IKAR is working at now resemble a fairy tale. They make dead and alive water, or to be exact, they make devices for water properties transformation. The installation itself doesn't look like a part of a miracle. There are two taps, one with tap water or dead water, another one with transformed water. Two taps are connected by a pipe. Between two taps there is a device for transformation. It looks like a regular filter, and it is one in part. Tap water is purified of undesirable chemicals and saturated with beneficial to health microelements. It is a common practice the world over, but here in the center they also change the water electric potential, which is the essence of the transformation. Regular water has a weak positive charge, whereas live water has a weak negative charge. The calculations show that water physical properties significantly change. All the water environments of a human body have a weak negative electric potential, from 70 to 100 millivolts. For example, lymph, intersecular liquid or blood. That is why when a human body assimilates water with low electronic contact, it has to recharge it before it can use it to penetrate into a cell, for example. So when we drink such water, we have to spend energy.
Для проникновения в клетку. И поэтому мы тратим энергию на восприятие такой воды.
The scientists managed to register the processes taking place in alive water. Chemical, physical, and biological effects cause storms in a glass, which cannot be observed by the unaided eye. These storms are considered to have beneficial properties. On the contrary, the structure of dead water, especially tap one, is unhealthy. When tap water comes through pipes covered with slime and microorganisms, the latter become a source of electromagnetic emission. Now it is scientifically proved. This emission leads to changes in the water structure. Clusters very similar to microorganism structures are formed. So when people with low immunity drink such water, they contract different diseases.
Scientists activated different liquids. It turns out that it is possible to make alive milk or juice. Maria Krivanogova, student of the biology and chemistry faculty, works at the most interesting project. She explores the effect of alive spirit-based solutions on 30 volunteers.
Most interesting things take place when different sciences, physics, medicine, and biology join forces. We got interested in this research because if one adds a live spirit-based solution to a medication, the latter becomes more effective. In short, the biological effect on a human body becomes more intense, so the illness period becomes shorter. Maria Krivanogova, student of the biology and chemistry faculty. The experiments with air are also performed in the center IKAR. Spending much time next to a computer or a TV set is considered to be bad for health. These apparatus absorb from air not only dust but also particles with a weak charge. The air like this is at best not beneficial for health. The scientists tested installations for air ionizing and alive water on fish, taken from a stage of a berry till the age of 6 months. Viktor Minakov, the principal engineer of the Scientific Research Center, says, "I think every 2 weeks, I'm not sure about the period, we took a fish liver to weight it. You know that liver is actually responsible for health in a living body. We did not perform the experiment ourselves, it was done in the medical academy. The smallest liver was registered when fish grew into ionized water containing ionized air. The scientists test their invention in different economic spheres. It is quite possible that the invention will be commercialized in economics as well." Tatiana Domracheva, Ivan Blinov, News of the Udmurt Republic.